There's this walking pad on Amazon that's just flying off the shelves. I have it. I need to show it to you. All right. Everyone is buying this under the desk walking treadmill. Why? I'm going to show you. So first off, super lightweight, very easy to store, very compact, especially with the wheels on the front, just very easy to move around and to store. So what we're going to want to do, there's a button on the front. I'm just going to press it. Turns it on. Now we're going to use the remote. I'm going to press the on button. It's going to start counting down. And I'm just going to go up to the top speed, use the remote to go up to the top speed. And the top speed is 3.8 miles per hour. If you are going to be using this as an under the desk treadmill, like while you're working, this is going to be more than enough speed. You're not going to be doing it at this speed. You're going to have to slow it down. If you're using this for exercise, 3.8, great speed. But if you're using it while you're working, slow it down because you want to be able to focus on your work. But this thing's amazing. Very easy to control with the remote here. And I see why everyone's it's flying off the shelves on Amazon. Oh, also one of the things I want to say, it goes back and forth between, this shows the speed over here, shows the time right here, and shows the calories burned on this side. So that's great. The LED screen in the front, I love it. This thing is great. I see why it's flying off the shelves. An amazing value, and I highly recommend it.